So it looks like it's up there. Something up there, that thing there leaked or something. Or unless that right there is the brake line. But it's coming down through there. We'll go around to the front. I'm pretty sure it's go out on two sides, front and back, because you can see this puddle here. That's where my car was sitting last night, the front of it. Let's check underneath here. And then, once enough light gets under here, there we are. You can see they're right there, that side thing. And I get enough light under there. This thing there, right there. Looks like something broke down through there. And that's where the one leakage that I found earlier was. The red stuff was leaking. Ugh.